Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the 150-piece Tulip Cupcake Liner Baking Cups. They've received 4.7 out of 5 stars and they're an Amazon choice item. So today I'm excited to introduce to you this product. It's as functional as it is stylish, and it's perfect for bakers, caterers, and anyone who enjoys turning the ordinary into extraordinary. How many times have you spent hours baking the perfect cupcake or muffin only to feel like it lacked that finishing touch when it was time to serve or present it? Well, with the 150-piece Tulip Cupcake Liner baking cups featuring a chic natural newspaper print, you'll never have that problem again. Imagine this. You're preparing for a party, holiday event, or maybe even just a fun family baking session. You want your treats to look as good as they taste, and that's exactly where these unique, eco-friendly baking cups come in. Let's dive into what makes these Tulip Cupcake Liners more than just an accessory for your baked goods. First things first, let's talk about the design. These cupcake liners come with a natural newspaper print that's not only visually appealing, but also adds a rustic vintage charm to your baked goods. Whether you're baking for a wedding, birthday party, or a corporate event, the newspaper print gives your cupcakes an extra layer of sophistication and whimsy. It's perfect for the themed events like vintage parties, afternoon teas, or even for those who just love to add a little bit of artsy to their everyday baking. And let's not forget about the tulip shape. Unlike the standard flatliners, these tulip cups are taller and have flower-like petals that flare at the top. Not only does this design offer a modern, elegant presentation, but it also helps contain your batter for a more evenly baked cupcake. When your guests see these, they'll think you spent a fortune at a high-end bakery. Now, it's not just about looks, right? These Tulip Cupcake Liners are crafted from premium grease-proof paper. That means no more worrying about butter or oil seeping through and ruining the presentation of your cupcakes. These baking cups hold their structure beautifully throughout the baking process. The high-quality paper allows for the heat distribution, ensuring your baked goods are cooked evenly, no matter if it's muffins, cupcakes, or even savory treats like quiche cups or mini pies. Plus, the tall tulip design isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's also incredibly practical. The extra height helps protect your cupcakes and muffins from drying out, while also giving you a little extra space to fill your batter. You can easily go for those extra large bakery style cupcakes that everyone loves. Whether it's a dense chocolate cupcake or a fluffy blueberry muffin, these liners keep your treat intact and delicious from oven to table. Now, in today's world, we're all thinking a little more about sustainability, and these cupcake liners don't disappoint. They're made from eco-friendly, biodegradable paper, meaning you can bake your heart out without worrying about adding to a landfill. It's a small step, but an important one towards making your baking practices more environmentally conscious. And let's talk about safety. These liners are oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for all kinds of baking. Whether you're a seasoned baker or experimenting with new recipes or just simply whipping up a quick batch of muffins for breakfast, these liners have you covered. The food-grade material ensures they are completely safe to use with any batter. You can trust that your cupcakes won't pick up any odd flavors or odors. You might be thinking, okay, these are great for cupcakes and muffins, but what else? Well, here's where versatility of these tulip liners really shines. You can use them for a variety of sweet and savory treats, like mini cheesecakes, individual quiches, or even little fruit cups for a brunch. They add a professional and unique touch to any presentation. For caterers, bakers, or even cafe owners, these cupcake liners elevate your products without much extra effort. You're not only going to impress your customers with the quality of your goods, but also with the thoughtful presentation that these liners provide. The newspaper print especially adds a nostalgic, handcrafted feel that sets your creations apart from any competition. Now, you might be wondering, why 150 pieces? Well, we know that baking isn't just for special occasions. It's just for holidays, events, and maybe just those moments when you want to treat yourself. With 150 pieces, you get the freedom to bake as much as you want without constantly worrying about running out. This set gives you incredible value while ensuring you're stocked up for your next event or even just your next weekend baking spree. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.